That's where the house used to be. Front steps, porch. Notice the roses. Kristen's car. Back window's busted. Slid into Brandy's car. But that's it. And then there's Joy's car. Completely totaled. Where's the house, you may ask? Back there. This is the foundation where it used to be. It's picked up, twisted through the air, hit a tree, came down in a pile. Kristen, Joy, and Brandy were in the middle of it, in the bathroom, in a bathtub. Kristen had gone to the bathroom door, opened it. She was gonna go get her computer to save it in the kitchen. She came back just in time to grab a hold of the bathtub, slide down in it before it took off, up in the air. That right there is the kitchen, that pile, which means it twisted backwards. The part that's facing us is now the back porch. The front porch is facing the field. You can see the trees just snapped in half. Back there is a house no more. And someone was in there, but they're okay. House next door, also off the foundation, twisted through the air. That was an elderly lady, but she's alright. Joy had just come out to listen to the car radio because there was no power. There had been no power for hours. They were sitting in the dark. They had gone to the bathroom just in case, playing cards, when they heard the freight train come. X means that it's been checked for survivors or for anyone being inside. Lawnmower. Neighbor's house. That's where they fled for shelter after they finally came out. They were stuck inside. Brandy's husband, Brian, had gotten caught at a fast food restaurant. Went back and forth trying to find them some food just because the power was out. So he came 45 minutes later, almost an hour later than expected. What you're looking at here was the living room and the kitchen. And because he came later than expected, as soon as they landed back on the ground, Brandy called him. He came, and through this front door, there's just a little hole. All of it's been taken out now. There's a little hole where many people came and rescued Brandy, Joy, and Kristen out of this bathtub. There was a hole at the top, barely the size of their hips. They crawled through, slid down the wall, and out the front door. And now, as you can see, this is what's left of their cocoon. If you look closely, you can actually see blood prints from where they got nicked up. So this is what was the bathroom. This was the office area, desk, bathroom door, which was laying on top of them so that they were protected from the ceiling. If you look right there at that angle, that held everything up. One of the poles, or one of the poles from the door jamb actually came down and came straight towards Brandy's stomach, and she is pregnant, 9 weeks. What you're looking at back there is a tree. but it used to be Joy's bedroom, and you can't even tell. This is Kristen's room back here. Again, everything's been cleared out. When we first came, you couldn't even come in here. The beds were not even visible. We have a bed frame, mattresses, but you couldn't even find them earlier today. We have our pile of whatever we find. Another bed frame, another mattress, door, and again, the tree, Joy's room. In Joy's room. This was pretty much the back of the house when we arrived this morning to see it. Well, actually the side of the house, which would have been Kristen and Joy's bedrooms. There's the neighbor's house. You can see the top of the tree there. And again, just the damage. Way down there is their shed. Come into focus, there it is. That was their shed, which is actually where the house is sitting now. That's where the shed was. They just moved in December. Excited. Joy was very excited to own her first home. Been spending lots of money making it a home the past couple of months. Decorating, painting. It's gone. The Lord spared them. Had anything gone differently, including had Brandy's husband gotten there when planned, they would not have all fit in the tub. They may not have all tried to even get in the tub. And the tub, there's part of it there, is what saved their lives. The Lord rescued them by means of a tub, their little cocoon. May God be praised, for He truly saved their lives.